welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. BJP comes out in the open, says all their 21 MLAs are intact. Vishnu joins BJP state president while addressing media, says he won't backstab CM. Students and teachers furious with Chogale management. Students furious on change in timings, demand change of principal. Teachers furious on the change of staff room, allege harassment. Mapsa police arrests 2 persons in Thimi molestation case. Accused remanded to 7 days police custody. Goa Kranti Mazdoor Union to participate in Jail Bharo Andolan on 1st, 3rd and 5th July. Threatens of hunger strike with family members if demands are not fulfilled. And Feast of St. Peter and St. Paul celebrated in Goa. Fishermen community takes the statue of St. Peter on the boats and worship him. Now the news in detail. After 3 days of intense drama, BJP came out in the open on Saturday and claimed that all their 21 MLAs are intact. Interestingly, Vishnu shared the dais with BJP state president Vinay Tendulkar to clear the air. As per Vishnu, they will not backstab the CM and no one can buy him. Word was around in the capital city even on Saturday that disgruntlement within BJP is increasing.
Will the BJP-led government topple? Is there any conspiracy within the party by the ruling government MLAs? Or are these all floating rumours? BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar rubbished all these questions. He says all 21 MLAs are intact. Earlier, the word was out that 5 BJP MLAs were likely to resign from the government and pledge their support in favour of another formation.
पण नाव घेयनासतना खंय तरी किनारपट्टीचे खाणग्रस्त भागातले अशें म्हणून नाव घेवन हें करतात आनी हे तुल्यान आमी सगळे आमदारा कडेन उलोवणें जालें 21 आमदार हे पक्षा बरोबर आसा सरकार स्थिर आसा.
BJP MLA Vishnu too has refuted the report on toppling of the government. Wagh says he will not backstab the chief minister. None can buy him.
मुख्यमंत्री आमचो जे विश्वासान आमचेर विसंबून गेला ते विश्वासाक आमी चडो वचपाक दिवपाचो ना हे म्हजें कॅटेगोरिकल स्टेटमेंट आहा. जे कोण सांगतात की विष्णू फुटपा खातीर कोण ऑफर दिता आनी दिता म्हाका इतलेंच सांगपाचें आसा विष्णू वाघ इज नॉट अ सेलेबल कमोडिटी. म्हाका विकत घेवपी अजून जन्मा येवपा जाय कोण. सो हेज्या बळार जे कोण हें करूंक सोदतात तांच्या म्हणण्यान कितें तथ्य आसा अशें कोणेंच धरचें न्ही. सरकार स्थिर आहा आनी ज्यो वावड्यो उठ्ठा ह्यो वावड्यो कित्याक वेनेवर इट हॅज बीन ऑब्जर्वड वेनेवर हेड ऑफ द स्टेट इज आउट ऑफ द स्टेट rumor mongers get to work because they don't have to do anything else.
Wagh further informed they do not want to resign from the party as they will have to face re-election.
दुसऱ्या पक्षान वचले कशे गेले जाल्यार दुसऱ्या पक्षान वचले कशे रिजायन जावन वचूं जाय. रिजायन जावन मागीर कोण खंयी वता जाल्यार ताका कितें करपाचें ते खंयी वचना. तो विचार जे कोण वतले ताणी करपाचें.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza are out of Goa. PWD Minister is now acting Chief Minister for Goa. Sources say the disgruntlement within the ruling party is not getting channelized due to lack of leadership. Reporter Mahesh Kari with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Chogale High Secondary witnessed lot of chaos and confusion on Saturday. This time not only the students but also the teachers were seen agitating. Teachers were angry over change in staff room whereas students were furious over the change in time. Teachers claim this is nothing but harassment by the management. Students have demanded that the principal of the high secondary should be changed. A joint meeting is called at Collectorate on Monday to take final call on the issue.
The scene started in morning in Chogle Higher Secondary on Saturday. There was a lot of chaos and confusion. Not only the students but even teachers were agitated with the management. Teachers informed that their staff room was shifted from ground floor to third floor. They have termed it nothing but harassment.
They had given us a room where the appropriate toilet facilities are not there. Therefore, we had written them that make toilet facilities available for ladies and gents separately and shift us there. But then without doing that, once again they told us that we have to shift. And when we came here, we came to know that our lockers are broken, our cupboards are broken and our material is removed.
This is harassment. आणि हे केन्नाच्यान जालें जेन्ना 18 तारखेक तांकां ऑर्डर दिली ना की कोर्टान दिलें की बंद करपाक मेळना म्हणून तेन्नाच्यान आमी आमची हॅरेसमेंट स्टार्ट जाला.
Now when he could make the timetable and finish it at 5:30, why suddenly after 2 weeks he is now making it till 6:30? Is this not another harassment tactic? And so this is a harassment for the students and also for the teachers.
सगळीं भुरगीं बोवाळ करपाक लागलीं. सगळीं भुरगीं जेन्ना येवपाक लागलीं तो सेक्युरिटी प्रिंसिपलाल्या कॅबिनात धांवपाक लागलो ताका प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आनी त्या बोळांत ताणें अशें धुकलून एका टिचरीक उडयलें. ती टिचरीक आतां हॉस्पिटलांत चॅकिंगाक व्हेला. राजश्री ठाकूर त्या टिचरीक. आनी हांव जेन्ना वचपाक लागलें म्हाकाय सामकें अशें केलें. ही पळय म्हगेली साडी सुद्दां अशी पिनली.
When this was the scene on one side, the students on the other side agitated against the change in timings of their classes. Earlier, the timings were 10 in the morning to 5:30 in the evening. However, management has suddenly changed the timing from 12:30 to 6:30 in the evening. Students have demanded that principal of higher secondary school should be changed.
Management is well aware of this, what is happening in the Chogle College in my office. And further, I need time to discuss with him.
The situation became more serious and administrative staff of government reached the spot, including former MLA Damu Naik. Collector, Deputy Collector, Mamlatdars and police personnel were present. Police personnel were carrying tear gas.
Chogle भुरग्यांक आनी हांकां हॅरेसमेंट करता, हे पर्पजली करता. तुमी लक्षांत दवरात, कारण हे सादें टॅक्टीक की भुरग्यांनी हांगसरल्यान सोडून वचचें.
Later, the old staff room was kept open for teachers. Collectorate has called for a joint meeting on Monday. The final decision will be taken thereafter.
To the principal to open the staff room immediately.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Mapsa police cracked molestation case within 24 hours. They arrested 2 accused for allegedly molesting a minor schoolgirl on Friday at Thiwi. Both the accused have been remanded 7-day police custody.
Mapsa police arrested 2 accused for allegedly molesting a minor schoolgirl on Friday at Thiwi. They have been booked under Section 8 of Goa Children's Act 2003. Prakash Gupta, 21 years, resident of Mapsa and native of Jharkhand. Ketan Matonkar, aged 25 years, resident of Shiroda and native of Sindhudurg.
सगळ्यान पयलीं सरपंच पंचाक म्हजे तांकां रिक्वेस्टूय आसा की आशी कुशीक ते नितळ करात. इस्कॉलांचे टिचरांनी जेंची प्रॉपर्टी समज आसता, इस्कॉलाच्या कोमलुदाची आसता जावं फादराची कोणाची आसता, तेंच्यांनी तांकां परमिशन दिवंक जाय.
Let the police leave this matter with the public, the parents of the school, and we'll see what we can do for this fellow, whoever they are. And if anything, in any case, all the parents get together, hammer this person, whoever he is. We need police protection for our school. When the school is starting, till they leave, and as well as when the SSC students are having extra classes.
Earlier on Friday evening, mother of the victim girl had complained that 2 unknown persons with their common intention had restrained her 14-year-old daughter by blocking her way and holding her hand. She was returning from her school. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.